Not every game that advertises cash rewards actually makes it easy to redeem them, so the best choices are the ones with a working withdrawal process instead of flashy marketing. By the end, you'll know 5 popular games and reward apps that support real withdrawals, how they work, and what to expect before you spend your time. The first app is Bubble Cash. Bubble Cash is a skill-based bubble shooter where players compete in score-based matches. Eligible players can participate in cash competitions where available, and the app includes withdrawal options for qualifying winnings according to its rules. Practice before entering paid tournaments because stronger scores improve your chances of success. The second app is Solitaire Cash. Solitaire Cash turns the familiar card game into competitive matches based on speed and efficient play. The gameplay is easy to understand if you've played classic solitaire before, but consistent performance matters more than simply finishing each game. The third app is Blackout Bingo. Blackout Bingo combines bingo with quick pattern recognition and timed scoring. Instead of relying only on luck, players compete by making accurate decisions as quickly as possible. Now let's cover 2 more apps that many people use for rewards. The fourth app is Mistplay. Mistplay rewards Android users for playing supported mobile games instead of paying directly through a single game. You earn reward points by playing eligible titles launched through the app, then redeem those points using the available reward options. The fifth app is Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play works, in a similar way, by offering rewards for reaching milestones in supported mobile games. Every offer has different requirements, so check the listed objectives before installing a game. Regardless of which app you choose, verify the withdrawal or redemption options before investing your time. Read the eligibility requirements. Make sure your account information is correct, and keep your gameplay within the app's rules. If your rewards don't appear immediately, review your reward history before contacting support, because that information is often requested during troubleshooting. The biggest takeaway is that Bubble Cash, Solitaire Cash, and Blackout Bingo focus on competitive skill-based gameplay, while Mistplay and Rewarded Play reward progress across multiple mobile games. They use different earning models, so choose the one that matches how you prefer to play. Your next step is to install one app, complete a small reward cycle or practice session, and confirm that the redemption process works before committing more time. If this guide helped you find games with real withdrawal options, like the video, and subscribe for more money app reviews, payout guides, and weekly updates.